to Open Whispers channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, make sure you leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you, and let's roll.
Comment by my brother. My brother is a brother. I miss my brother. We're very close. So very grateful for him. So for other things which I didn't succeed, God has given him opportunity to do it and succeed. For me, I don't look back. He's the governor of my state. From other states, he's my senior brother. He's even more intelligent than because he's a professor. I'm a trader. So he knows more. So he'll be able to do things better than I'm doing it. I've done my little one as a trader. Now the professor is there. He will do his own as a professor. The schools that didn't roof, he roof them. That's how government goes. Another person comes, do his own.
That was Peter Obi, his epic reply to Professor Charles Soludo when Soludo was criticizing him, denying that Obi ever invested in Anambra State when he was the governor. Now, almost a year plus after Professor Charles Soludo assumed office as a professor, how far has he gone in turning Anambra to Dubai as he promised? People are saying, we don't want the Dubai of Africa. Give us Abakaliki. Give us Abia State. In contrast, what is the governor of Abia State doing when you compare him to Professor Charles Soludo and what he is doing in Anambra State?
It becomes very, very evident that your component is totally incompetent and irresponsible. Totally incompetent and irresponsible. After we paid you 50% mobilization, there's no place else in the country that pays 50% mobilization. Never other places that even pays 15% mobilization. Paid you 50% mobilization. 2022. And this project was supposed to be delivered June last year. 9 months after, you haven't delivered. You are still at 40-something%.
I'm Julia Sondu, showing you where development is happening. Please come and join us. Abia to get seaport as Otti performs groundbreaking ceremony. Abia Governor, Dr. Alex Otti, has announced plans to establish a seaport in the state. The project, which will be located in Awaza, Ukwa East LGA, Abia State. The governor made this announcement at the ongoing Southeast Security Summit in Owerri, Imo State.
I want to say that enough of the Book of Lamentations. I listened to the first few speeches and quite a lot of lamentations. Let's move from lamentations to solutions now.
No, let nothing happen to Alex Otti. God has brought him to change the narrative of governance. He must do his best and allow you to do. I call upon Governor of Enugu State, please increase the tempo of development. I call upon Governor of Ebony State, please increase the tempo. I call upon Professor Soludo, who people have described that he built his own road with Mount. When Oti is building with Chilos Vega, that's what people say. I didn't know that there are people talking about. Let me talk about. So start building with your Chilos Vega. Stop building with your Mount. The one that is making
20 years after conceptualization, the Abia Integrated Power Plant by Geometric Power Group has successfully been completed to the delight of people in Abia State. At a well-attended inauguration ceremony in Osisioma Ngwa local government area, Vice President Kashim Shettima described the project as another testament to the resilience of Nigerians and commitment to excellence.
That when I'm gone, they could look back and say, I have turned Anambra State into a livable homeland. I'd like to welcome here Professor Chukwuma Soludo, Governor, Anambra State.
Is Peter Obi's reply to Soludo a curse or a blessing to him? Has he left him so big a shoe to fill? A year plus in office, Soludo is still battling to make a meaningful impact in Anambra State. In Abia State, Dr. Alex Oti has proven that previous administrations were a curse to the people of Abia State. The Ebonyi counterpart has invested heavily on human infrastructure. In Enugu, the governor is also trying. The commentator in this video has said that Soludo builds ANAMBRA with his mouth. Get in the comment section and let me know what you think. After 1 year in office, is Soludo a curse or a blessing to the people of Anambra State? Is Obi's reply to Soludo a curse or a blessing? Let us know. You can't just afford to sit on the fence. Let us know where you stand in the development strides going on in Abia State, in contrast to promises of Professor Charles Soludo in Anambra State. Obi is a trader. Soludo is a professor. Where Obi stopped, Soludo should continue. Is he doing well? Or he says, enough of the lamentation. The solution is here. Where is that solution? Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and please share this video. See something? Say something, and please do something. The man dies in he who keeps quiet in the face of tyranny. Until we meet again in this arena. Cheers.